Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are solving Decode Ways LeetCode problem, and this is a dynamic programming problem. In this problem, we are given a string of digits, and each digit represents an alphabet. For example, 1 represents A, 2 represents B, 26 represents Z. We have to return the number of ways in which a string can be decoded. That is, the number of ways in which a string can be converted into the corresponding alphabet string. Let's look at example 1, 2. As you can see, there are two ways in which this string can be decoded. One is AB, that is 1, 2, and the second is 1, 2, that is L, that is 12. Now let's look at the second example, 2 to 6. Here we have three ways. One is 2 to 6, that is BBF. One is 26 VF, and third is VZ, that is 226. Example 3, we have 06 here. Output is 0 because 06 cannot be mapped to F because the leading 06 is different from 06. In this case, the string is not a valid string, so return 0. Basically, we have to return the number of ways in which the number string can be decoded into alphabet string. Let's first create a DP array, and its length will be equal to the length of the string that we have to decode plus 1. We will initialize the 0th element as 1 because it is an empty string, and there is only one way to decode an empty string because there are no characters. And the second element in the array will be populated based on the first character of the string, that is at 0. We will check if it is equal to 0. First character in the string is 0, that means value will be 0, else 1. For example, if the string is 06, that means the first character in the string is 0. We have to simply assign the value 0. And if it is 6, we have to assign the value 1. There is only one way to decode 6, that is F. Now we will start with the iteration. We are starting at index 2 because the length of the DP array is string.length plus 1, and we will be decoding the string by calculating the previous character and the previous two characters. S dot traverse until the end of the array. This okay. Now let's get the integer value of the previous character. Let's say last char, and it will be integer dot parse int s dot substring will be I minus 1, the previous character, and the current index. So how substring works is, first index is the starting index, the second index is the end index against which the string will be substring converted into a substring. Here the index will be I minus 1 to I minus 1. Int last two chars will do integer parse int. We have s dot substring I minus 2 to I. First index is the inclusive index, second index is the exclusive index. For example, in this case, the substring will be I from I minus 2 to I minus 1. Let's check the value of last char. If it is greater than 0, then that means we can use the previous value we have so far, because there is only one way to decode the string so far. We'll again check the value of last two chars. If it is greater than or equal to 10 and last two chars is less than 27, it is if the last two chars are between 10 and 26 inclusive, we will again increment the dp value at the current index, adding the value that was present current minus truth index. Then we will simply return dp of dp dot length minus 1 c p last. Okay, submit the solution. So our solution has been accepted, and let's check the time complexity. So the time complexity of the solution is big O of n because we are traversing the DP array only once, and we are traversing the string character by character at a time, once only. And space complexity will be big O of n because we are creating this DP array which has size of element, the characters, the number of characters in the string is plus one.